Welcome to the Balloons Everywhere Idea Kitchen Upgrade Essentials video series. In this video, we will show you how to create a 4-balloon cluster. Any size latex will work, but for this demonstration, we will be using 5-inch latex. Air inflate 2 balloons. Place the balloons side by side and let the air escape until the balloons are uniform in size. Twist and tie the necks together to form a duplet. Repeat this process to create a second equal-sized duplet. Twist the duplets around each other to form a cluster. This simple balloon art serves as a foundational building block for many balloon upgrades and decor. Thanks for watching! Everything in this video is available for purchase from Balloons Everywhere. Order online at balloons.com or call 800-239-2000. Subscribe to the Idea Kitchen for future instructional videos.